Hi friends, welcome to Angie's Kitchen. Today I am going to make drumstick leaf stir fry or muringa ela thoran. So for this, first I have taken yellow pigeon peas, which is also called tuvar dal, around a half a cup of that. So first I'll take that into a pan and then I'll wash it thoroughly by using water for 3 times, and then I will add in the same measuring cup around 3 cups of water. So now I'm going to cook it in an open pan. If you want, you can even cook it in a pressure cooker. So if you are pressure cooking it, then you can add this half a cup tuvar dal with 1.5 cups of water and wait until the first steam, and then put it into a simmer and cook it for around 10 minutes. Your tuvar dal will be ready. So when you are cooking in open pan, you can see that a foam is formed once it starts boiling. So that time I will reduce the flame into a lower flame and then remove the foam, because we usually say that whenever we make dals, the foam will have all the waste which is there in the dal. So that waste I am removing it, and then I will put it into a medium flame and cook it for around 15 to 20 minutes or until this water entirely gets dried off. So let us cook this, and by the time we can prepare the other things. So first I am making the mix. So for that I have taken 1 cup of coconut. I have cut into small slices and added into the mixie jar, and then I will add around half to 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So that will give you a good color to the stir fry. Then I am going to add cumin seeds powder, which is around 3/4 teaspoon. But if you are adding whole cumin seeds, then half a teaspoon would do. And then I'll add some 3 green chilies. Again, this can be adjusted to your taste, but I'm adding 3 here. I'm just cutting into or splitting it into 2 and adding it into the mixie bowl. And then I'll add 2 cloves of garlic, or I can say that 2 and a very small piece of garlic to it, followed by 4 small pieces of dried red chilies. So that again you can adjust it according to your taste, but I am adding this, which gives a good flavor to the thoran. And then I have added a little bit of salt to it and 1 sprig of curry leaf. Then I'll coarse grind it. Do not make it a fine paste, just a coarse grinding would do. Just mixing of all of these contents would do. So now the mix is ready. Now let's start the preparation of stir fry. So for making the drumstick stir fry, first I have taken a pan, heated, and then I added 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, then I am adding 1 medium chopped onion to it. So this has to be done in high flame, and then I'll add a little bit of salt, which enhances the cooking of onions. And then you make sure that you are cooking it until the onions become transparent. So this is all done in high flame. And once the onions is half done, then I am adding a little bit of curry leaves, which gives you a good flavor. So 1 sprig I have added in the mix itself, and the second sprig I am adding it at this stage. And wait until the onions are transparent. And once it is transparent, then I will add the coconut mix that we have already prepared to it. So this time I have reduced the flame to the very low flame and mix it until the rawness of coconut and turmeric goes off. So in the meantime, I have taken drumstick leaves. So this is a bunch of drumstick leaf I have taken here, which I have removed all the sticks and then cleaned it well and drained off the water. So this is around 4 to 5 cups. I am adding this to the coconut mix now. So as we all know that muringa leaf or drumstick leaf is the highest leafy vegetable which contains the highest amount of iron in it. So this is a very good, very healthy dish. So now after adding the drumstick leaf to the mix, then I am mixing this coconut mix along with this leaves now. And at this stage, my tuvar dal, the dal which I have kept it for cooking, it is already done. So now I am showing you the tuvar dal now, which is already cooked. So you can see that the water has drained off. completely, or water has dried off completely, and this is added to the mix. So if you want, you don't need to add tuvar dal, but why I'm adding is if there is any bitter flavor for this drumstick leaf, that will be absorbed by this tuvar dal. So now mix the contents well, and then I'm closing it with a lid and cooking it in a medium flame for around 3 to 4 minutes. So after removing the lid, I'm putting this into a high flame and then cooking it or mixing it for 2 minutes so that all the vapor or the moisture dries off. So once it dries off, the drumstick leaf stir fry will be ready. So you can see that the entire vapor is getting dried off now, and now the drumstick leaf stir fry or muringai ila thoran is ready to be served. So now I am moving this to a serving dish. You can have this with rice, and it is a very good dish to try. It's a very healthy dish. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it and subscribe.